When the job demands deep cuts and professional precision, you need a tool that gives you total control. This is the DeWALT 18-volt XR Brushless Deep-Cut Bandsaw. It has an impressive 127mm capacity, making it perfect for larger pipe work or even PVC or metal bundles. Designed for the operator, it features an adjustable front handle for maximum comfort and an integrated hanging hook for easy storage in between cuts. Safety and versatility go hand in hand. The variable speed trigger includes a self-resetting lock-off to prevent accidental startups, while the dedicated speed dial lets you tailor your RPM to the material. Accuracy is effortless thanks to the adjustable shoe and high-visibility LED work light that ensures you never lose sight of your cut line. It's built for the long haul, with a quick-release lever for fast blade tracking adjustments and replaceable bumpers for job site durability. Downtime is a thing of the past. With deep cut capacity, brushless efficiency, pick up one in-store or online today at TradeTools.com. Don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. Link in bio.